Right, I've been doing a lot of thinking about this, and I've been checking things, right? And this is what pisses me off, sorry, excuse my French. That program that I'm using to do my circuit board design, the friggin' model, 3D model for the BS170, it's backwards. In other words, my driver MOSFET was in backwards. So that means that the gate of the power MOSFET was effectively going through the diode. Right? This thing here. So that's why I had leakage, because it was going for this frigging diode. I got the PDF up, right, the BS170. I opened up the PDF and I thought, well, I'm going to check some things here because there's something not right. How the hell can I have all that leakage? And why the heck is a positive MOSFET being turned on when it's not, when the BS170 is not even receiving a voltage of any kind? I'll just have some more ice cream. I'll just take the plate away. Hang on. So basically, because of somebody's laziness, somebody's stupidity in designing the 3D model, this driver MOSFET, everything is backwards. It says that this pin here is the source, right? It says it's the source, but it's not, it's the drain, right? Not only that, they've got the actual component footprint. Well, actually, the component footprint's backwards, or no, this is backwards. This is, if you're looking at the actual, we're actually looking down, right? Think about this a minute, right? We're looking down on the circuit board right now. We're actually seeing the copper through the board, right? Because let me turn off the layers right now. Let's turn off the copper. Right, we're looking down from the top. This is the above view, right? This is from the top. We're looking straight down. So look at this symbol here, right? This MOSFET or transistor TO92 outline. Look at the outline, right? That pad says it's source, right? That is on the left. Let's look at the PDF document. On the PDF document, according to this, oops, what have we done now? I keep forgetting to use a different button for you. On the PDF document, if you look at this source, right, come on, source is pin 3. Source is pin 3, okay, right, there. Where is pin 3? Pin 3 is on the right. So because of some idiot that got everything back to front in Designspark, I've blown a MOSFET, a power MOSFET, and I've blown up a thin driver MOSFET as well. It's all because of the leakage problem. So all of my resistors that I put in there were fine. There was nothing wrong with my resistors to begin with. All that hassle that I've had tonight for the past 8 hours of trying to figure out what was going on wrong with my biasing has all been caused by some jerk that couldn't be asked to spend 10 minutes and check its facts. Sorry if I'm cursing a lot, but you would be cursing as well if you imagine this for a minute. Just imagine this. There must be thousands of people in the world using Designspark, right? Imagine the cost of that. Thousands of people all making, basically coming, to a bad end, or all having to spend money and all blowing their MOSFETs up because of one person. That is what pisses me off. So that's like some guy, one person sticks some nails on the road and punctures thousands of cars. That is vandalism to me. That is just sabotage. You know, if somebody can't be asked to check what they're doing and putting it out to the public for everyone to use, even though the program's free, that doesn't mean a damn thing, because the program might be free, but it's not free because it's costing us money when we're buying components, and we have to spend our money to buy the components, and then we have to buy more components because some jerk went and got their template back to front. Anyway, I just hope he gets some really bad karma, the guy, whoever did this, because, yeah. So look, pin 3. Pin 3 is source. Go back to my Designspark. And where is pin 3? What is this one? That's pin 3, right? And that's drain. Look. Number 3, name D. Pin number 1, source. So I solved my problem. It's because of some a-hole somewhere in the world that my MOSFETs are in back to front. So how the heck do I fix it? I've got to my schematic and reverse everything, don't I? I have to put source where drain is and drain where source is. And basically I have to be an idiot to compensate for the idiot that got it wrong in the first place, because I haven't got the editing software to change the model. So I'm just really annoyed. Actually, I don't know if I can change it. Actually, I'll try, but I don't think I can actually edit the model. It says editing library. I don't think it works. I've tried before and it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't usually work. It says RS part number invalid or missing. Oh, well, that's it. That's irrelevant. Right. So we've got. I've got the thing here. It says there in black and white. Well, it's in colour actually, but it says terminal name D, pin 1. Terminal name S, This is crazy. This is even worse. Oh, it's PC pad number. That's the one we need. It's not the terminal number. It's the pad number we want. So that's what, no wonder these people get confused. Everything's completely messed up. So we've got pad number 3, which is D, which should be S, and pad number S. Sorry, we've got source, which should be pad number 3, which is actually number 1. This is absolutely nuts. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can I actually change this? I'll try. I don't know if it's going to work, but so that wants to be. Hang on. That wants to be. That wants to be 1, and the other wants to be 3. So if I try turning this, changing that to 1, changing that to 3, and changing that to, oh, it's already changed them all. Right, so source is pin 3. Let's try saving that. I hope it's not read only. Overwrite, yes. Oh, it saved it. Oh, cool. So I managed to fix the stupid error. So now source should be number 3. I can't even read that. It looks like this all look the same. Right, let's just try this. Right, since it saved it, what have we just closed now? Oh, that's it. Right, now let's just check. Let's just update components. This one. See if it changes this. Now look at the 3. Now 3 should become 1, and 1 should become 3. So 3's over there. Let's try it. Yeah, we fixed it. But why should I have to fix somebody else's mistakes? Now it's going to mess up my PCB now. Looking at my PCB, and I'm going to put the layers back on because I want to see what's going on. Right. What's going to happen here is either I'm going to lose my tracks connections and I've got to redo them. In fact, I'm going to have to put them in backwards on my board because it's already been made. But let's forward design change and see what that. Let me just update the other one because the other one's wrong as well. Has that one already been changed? I don't know. Drain 1. Yeah, it's already changed that one. So source. Can't see that very well. Source suite, yeah, it's updated that one as well. Alright. Okay. Right, let me forward changes. Design, oh, let's do check. So he wants me to disconnect a whole bunch of stuff now, look. Alright then, let's do it. Let's see what happens. Right, now the backwards now, look, so I've got to swap them round. This is so frustrating, it really is. All that work. I've got to rotate that now. I've got to rotate that one. I want to get this lined up. It's hard to do. I'm not going to use my ruler, I'm just going to. Yeah, I think I'm about right there. Right, so I'm going to. Oh, it's on the wrong side, as usual. All this hassle over this. I am so annoyed about this. I really am. It's done that wrong as well. Oh, I'm gonna undo it manually. Do it manually, I think. Looks better. That one not so bad. No. I'm not happy about that one, though. Let's see if I can do it manually. Right, that's better. Still, it looks a bit funny to me. It's not quite lined up. This isn't lined up either. Hang on. Oh, this is the test point. I can. This track should. Actually, this track is in the wrong place. It wants to be. Oh! I'm going to undo this one. I'm going to redo it manually. Let's do that now. Yeah, I think I should stop and say this as a separate video because it's significant anyway. So I'll save this and I'll come back in a minute or two.